Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this project is very important for a beginner student. And this project is a roller bearing project and how to this bodies design. And this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. And all 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension and all geometry is you can see here on the screen. And this part is a inner part of this roller bearing project, and this roller bearing project is all parts is assemble here, and this is a outer part, and this is the inner part, and this is a case of roller bearing, and this is a roller. And okay, and this is a inner part design, and to discuss here a very important lecture. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is made in India, and MT12 35 and 96 and 74 a number is right here easily and clearly. And okay, back side and front side is also perfect and correct. And how to this bodies design easily and clearly to discuss here. This is a perfect, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, let's start here this bodies design. And at first some setting is very important. This is a perfect, and at first going to this apply a sense a plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this front plane, you can see here a large dimension. Okay, and front plane, this is a reference line is this center line, and this distance is 15 millimeter, and this distance is a radius, and this diameter is a 30 millimeter, and all dimension in millimeter, and this is a 30 millimeter, and also 30 millimeter is same, and radius is 15 millimeter, and this distance is 4 millimeter, and this is 7.6 millimeter, and this fillet is used here at 2 millimeter, and this distance is 2.51 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter, and this is a 0.9 millimeter, and this length is a 16 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. At first select a plane is front plane, and draw a center line. Okay, this center line is a at first drawing here, and select a line is drawing here. This draw a simple geometry, because this is a simple geometry is very important. And okay, this is a perfect, not any relation. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a not any relation, and this is a perfect drawing here. This is a correct. Okay, connect to this. Okay, and at first select this line, and this line is a collinear line. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a inner part is this. Okay, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. And mention a dimension. This dimension is this distance is a 15 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter is drawing here. Okay, and this is a this is a 7.6 millimeter. 7.6 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and next is a this okay, this is a 4 millimeter. This is a distance is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and next is distance is a this distance point to this distance is a 2.51. okay, 2.51. okay, and select this is a 2 millimeter, and this distance is a okay, this is a 2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a 2.51 meter, and this distance is a and select this distance is a okay, this distance is a 2. okay, and next is a okay, this is a this distance is a 0.9. okay, 0.9 is perfect. And next is a okay, and drawing this okay, and some angle is this angle. Okay, this angle is 77.2. okay, 32 degree. Okay, and all point is perfect and correct. This is a perfect, and for okay, all is perfect and correct. But this is a mention here. Okay, this distance is this delete here. But this point select a distance. Perfect, and select this distance is a 2 millimeter. And next is apply here this okay, Okay, all is perfect and perfect and correct and this line is a select here this perpendicular. Okay, this is a very important, and this relation is perpendicular. Okay, all is perfect. Some point is missing here, some relation. Okay, all is perfect and all dimension is correct and next is a this inner side radius is a fillet is 2 and outer side is a okay, outer side is 1, fillet is 2 millimeter. Select this and again fillet is used here 1 and select this and select 1 and this and okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is black color means this is a fully defined and correct and perfect okay, all is better and this is a perfect okay, and going to this revolve boss base and select this axis of revolution and okay, this is a perfect and all drawing is better and select this face sketch normal and drawing a circle. Circle is a construction line is a perfect this line is a construction and a line mention this diameter. This diameter is 35.28 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and apply this text and select this line. Okay, and some write a letter made in India. Okay, MT 12. Okay, MT 12 35 96 47 T 12 35 96 74. Okay, 12 35 96 74 12 35 96. Okay, all is perfect and correct and this is a okay and again double click here and select some font is change here. Font is a 2.8 okay, because all is perfect and okay, and going to this extrude cut and extrude cut is this 0.4 is better and click OK, and this cut is a perfect and correct. Okay, and material is apply here and going to this appearance and appearance is this okay, nickel and polished nickel is perfect and this cutout is some dark is select here and going to this appearance and appearance some is a black color and okay, this is a better. Okay, all is perfect and correct and this is a material is looking perfect nickel. Okay, and all point is learner and all is perfect and correct and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly, and guys get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view, and this part is a union design, and this part is a this body is a fully gate wall project, and this part is a okay, this gate wall project, a part of this gate wall project, and this is a union design, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a all dimension, all geometry is looking here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a assemble body, all parts is assemble here, and this panel project is a gate wall project, and this union part is designed here. Okay, today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is very important for beginner student, and okay, and some zoom, this is a okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and all dimension is you can see here easily. And this is a at first drawing a center line, and drawing this body is separate, and this body is separate, and this middle body is this is a hexagon, and below side a body, and upper side a body is this geometry is looking here, and this is a hexagon is drawing here and connect to both body. Okay, at first one body separately is drawing here easily. Okay, and let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is drawing here easily and clearly, looking perfect, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all geometry and all line is perfect here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first some setting is drawing here, very important. This is a plain white, and going to option, document properties, image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and all is perfect, and at first select right plane because right plane is better. Okay, at first drawing this at first select a center line, very important, and center line distance is a midpoint. This line select and press a control button, and this point is selected, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and align this dimension. This dimension is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. This is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some geometry is draw here, and this geometry is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and draw a line. Line is this, and this drawing this geometry, and this geometry is perfect. Okay, and this line is connect to this. Okay, drawing this and connect to this. Okay, and this line is this. Okay, and this line and this line is a vertical. Okay, align a dimension. Dimension is this. This is a 1 millimeter. Okay, at first this is a line is this. Okay, select 1 millimeter this, but okay, and this line is a delete here, and okay, also delete here. Okay, connect to this and select a line, draw a line. This is this to this, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and also select this line is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and 1 millimeter and perfect, and this to this line is a 12 millimeter, and this point to this line is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this line is a draw 18 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this point is drag here. Okay, and this point to this line is a vertical, and okay, and this is a okay, all is, and also this. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. This symmetry is draw here. This is a perfect, and next geometry is also drawing here. Okay, all is a perfect, and this is a this geometry is a, you can see here, this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this is 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. You can see here, this is a 20 millimeter and this is a 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter, and this height is a this to this is a height is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, but this 18 millimeter is this is a this height is this circle is drawing here this, but this is a all is perfect, and next geometry is a drawing here, and this select a line is a drawing this this is a connect to this line is drawing here, this to this drawing a geometry, and connect this line is a simple geometry is draw here, and all dimension is a connect to this, and this is line is a some drag line is inclined, and connect to this, and this line is a this. Okay, and align all dimension. All dimension is a perfect and correct. At first select this line, and this point is a okay, this point and this point is a horizontal, and also this point and this point is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this is a 10 millimeter, this to this 10 millimeter, and also this is a dimension is a 12 millimeter, and this is a incline is a 1 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 7 millimeter is this, and this use a 6 millimeter is this. Okay, and this line is also 1 millimeter. Perfect, and next is this distance is 11 millimeter, and also this is okay, and also 11 millimeter is okay, and this is delete here some relation, not this is a perfect, some relation is this, delete here, and line is drawing this. Okay, this line is drag here because this relation is not okay, and this use this is 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is 8 millimeter, and this use 3.5 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this use this, and this 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this also this. Okay, and next, and this is a use this line is this is distance is this 11 millimeter, and also this 11 millimeter, and this is 1 millimeter, and height is this is 8 millimeter, and also this height is 8 millimeter, this, and this is 3.5 millimeter, and also this is 1 millimeter, and this is 7 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is this. This is 12 millimeter, and this is 10 millimeter, and this is 7 millimeter, and also this is 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and correct. This is correct. All is black color, and some dimension is this, and this dimension is perfect. Okay, okay, and all dimension is correct, and going to revolve boss, and use this to this. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect. And sketch, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this hexagon. Okay, and again select a circle, is drawing here, this to this, but some dimension is showing here. This circle diameter is 18 mm, and this is a hexagon. Hexagon is a connect to this 2 point is a 27 mm. Also at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, select this two line is a 27 mm, and circle diameter is 18 mm. Okay, all is perfect. And going to extrude boss, apply here, and this is a perfect. And going to up to surface, and surface, this surface is connect. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all union and all point is a perfect and correct. Drawing here, and some material is apply here, and this is a use a nickel. Nickel is polished, nickel is perfect and correct. Okay, this union part is easily drawing here, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this union part and all dimension is you can see here easily, and drawing this part, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important parts is design here, and this part is a hand wheel, and this parts is a hand wheel, and all parts is assemble here, and this is a hand wheel, and hand wheel is design here. Okay, and all today drafting is available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view, all view of a hand wheel, and this is isometric view. And this gate wall project, this project is very useful and helpful. Beginner student is also very helpful. And guys, today discuss here a very important point is learn here, and part 6 is hand wheel is design here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. This is a hand wheel is design here, and today discuss here a very important lecture. Beginner student is also, this is a very important. Okay, all point is learn here one by one, and all dimension and all geometry is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is this, and some important point is discussed here. At first plain white, and this is a going to option, and option is document properties, and use image quality. Image quality is very high because this is a all geometry line is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. and some use this point is used here, and this radius is 14 millimeter, and this length is full length is a 64 millimeter. This angle is 60-degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect. And at first plane is top plane is better and perfect. Okay, and select a center line, because this is a supported line is perfect and correct, and this line is used, and press a control button, and this point is a midpoint. Okay, and again select a line. This line is this connect to this, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 64 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this 64 millimeter, and then use click a line is this, use this to this point to this. Okay, and this use and again select a 3-point arc, and first point and second point, and this is a arc is connect to this. Okay, and this at first some relation is setting here. Click this line and press a control button, and this line is a relation is a symmetry. Okay, and also this line and this line is a select here and use a equal. This relation is very very important, and some dimension is a mention here. This is a 14 millimeter, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, and this point and this press a control button, and this line use a coincident. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is looking better. And some use a next use a pattern is circular pattern, and circular pattern is this, and click this. Okay, and select this and this. All line is a selector, and equal 360-degree angle, equal spacing, and pattern is 6, because all is connected easily and clearly. You can see here preview is showing here, and 6 pattern is better and perfect, and equal spacing and 360-degree angle, and all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all point is perfect, and exit, and again select this line is right plane, and a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a circle is this, and connect this point is this, and this is a diameter is this diameter is 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 8 millimeter is diameter, and exit. Okay, and use a shape boss base. Click here, and this is isometric view, and automatic this profile is selected, and path is 1 by 1 is all selected, and 1 by 1 is all path is selected, and this use a click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a this isometric view. Okay, and next is a drawing this middle line. Use this diameter is 18 millimeter, and this thickness is 10 millimeter is mid plane. Okay, and click OK. Use a top plane, sketch normal, or drawing a circle. Okay, drawing a circle is this, and this dimension is a 18 millimeter is perfect. And use a thickness, extrude boss base, and this thickness is a mid plane, and use a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter and 18 diameter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And next is again select a right plane, sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is drawing this circle, and this diameter is a 6 millimeter, and thickness is 25 millimeter. This is a very important. This diameter is circle is drawing here, and diameter is 6 millimeter, and this thickness is 6 millimeter is diameter. And isometric view, and use a extrude boss, and extrude boss is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And also use a circular pattern, and pattern is at first select this point is select here this, and feature and face select here this, and pattern is a 6 pattern. Okay, this is the angle is 360 degree angle, and the pattern is 6 and equal spacing, and OK, all is perfect, and click OK. Some time is spent here because all is count here. Okay, this is a perfect. And last is drawing here this cutout is a 6 millimeter is thickness, length is 6 millimeter, and width is also 6 millimeter. This face sketch normal, and drawing a center line. Center line is this, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 6 millimeter, and also 6 millimeter. Okay, and some cutout is extrude cut. Extrude cut is this is used here through all, and click OK. Okay, this is a OK. All is looking perfect and correct, and all dimension is used here easily and clearly. Okay, and some use appearance. Appearance is this is a painted is a candy apple red. Okay, this is looking very nice looking here. Isometric view, and click OK. Okay, and perfect drawing here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.